How to fix Samsung lock screen camera shortcut not working. So if you try to access the camera and if it's not working, here's what you can do. Now the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are not double tap on the camera. You need to swipe on the camera for this to work. So you cannot simply just try to double tap on it. So simply swipe and see if that works. If on your lock screen you do not have the camera shortcut appear at all, if it's disabled, then you can go back to the home screen, touch and hold, then tap on wallpaper and style, then tap on the lock screen panel. At the bottom here on the left or on the right, tap on it, then scroll down and make sure you choose camera. Now for example, if it is disabled, so there's no camera, simply go into the lock screen, tap on the shortcut and select camera and then tap on done. Okay, so after that you can swipe across to open the camera. Another thing that may cause an issue is the secure lock screen interference. So you can try to go into settings, so swipe down and tap on settings and go down and tap on lock screen and AOD. From here tap on secure lock settings, enter in your PIN and tap on continued. Temporarily turn off lock instantly with side key, so just turn it off and then try to use the camera from the lock screen and then try to turn it back on. Now see if that helps. So try to access your camera again and see if that helps. Next, you may want to check to see if you have installed any third-party apps. For example, on my lock screen here, I've got Good Lock. Good Lock allow you to add in some additional features to your lock screen. You can further customize your lock screen with app widgets, adding favorite apps, stickers, and so on. This third-party apps can sometimes cause interference and issues with the camera shortcut. So perhaps maybe if you have installed a third-party app, just go in there and temporarily disable the features to see if that can help solve the issues. So here I've got Lockstar. So that's Lockstar right there. So you want to go in and try to disable this feature, this module. So for example, we can go into here and delete the module or uninstall it. Lastly, if you still have issues, perhaps try to restart your device. So simply tap on the restart button and restart your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.